Hello, I'm Stan Surratt, proud superintendent at Lindo ISD, and I'm here with a very special student today. Miss Maddie Strickland is a junior at Lindo High School, and she's done something very special. She started her own culinary or bakery business called Mimi's Sweet Treats. Anyway, so I just had to come over and we had to do a story on this. So tell us a little about your new business.
Well, over the summer I started gaining lots of interest in desserts and pastry arts, stuff like that, and kind of got it laid on my heart, like why not share it with other people?
Yeah.
So I started investing in new tools and watching lots of YouTube videos, and I found out I was kind of good at it, so started selling my stuff.
YouTube's great for anything.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, tell us, so are you taking culinary classes in high school
Yes,
now?
I'm in Principles of Culinary right now, and then I'll take Culinary Arts 1 next year.
Well, tell us about the pricing. If somebody wanted to order,
Mm-hmm.
what kind of, what's kind of the price breakdown on different things?
It's honestly as much as you want to pay for it. I mean, I can do a small birthday cake for like $20, or I've done a wedding cake before that ran for like $200. So it varies. My decorated cupcakes that people really like, those are really popular because I can personalize them a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Those usually go for about $12 a dozen.
We're proud that you started your own business and looking towards the future, but we're proud of the great student that you are.
Thank you
How you
so much.
represent not only yourself, but also Lindo High School.
Yes,
Great
sir.
job.
Thank you.